Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to be making pineapple cake. We're going to start off by grabbing 6 eggs and letting it mix into the stand mixer and adding 1 cup of granulated sugar. I then let 1/3 cup of butter melt in a pan and add another cup of sugar into that and mix it together. I also add the liquid of canned pineapples into the butter mixture once it turns golden brown. Once the mixture starts to boil, you're going to want to set it aside. And all the while the eggs are mixing, you're going to want to wait for them to get fluffy like so and add 1/3 cup of olive oil and 9 tablespoons of flour. I then grab the butter mixture, add it into a large pan, and then grab my pineapples and put them on. I then get some jelly filling or jam, put them inside each pineapple, and add my other flour mixture on top. You're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, and then once you flip, it should look like this.
Thank you for watching. Hope you like and subscribe. Bye.